Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So, today is February the 4th, 2020, and I wanted to show you the new seed order that I just got in the mail today. So, I added some more stuff to this year's gardening season. So, this is the onion that I was telling you about. This is the, I believe it's pronounced Tuska. I'm not 100% sure how to pronounce it. But this is an heirloom. And this one here, it is a long day onion, which I do need for where I'm growing at. I'm gardening in Pennsylvania in Zone 5B. And this is supposed to be really good for cooking. And it's supposed to be a long keeper, and it's supposed to hold its flavor very well. Now, they said it's superb on top of fried potatoes, and we eat a lot of potatoes, and we love onions, so looking forward to trying this one this year. I got 2 packs of those, and I got a chrysanthemum golden ball flower, and now this says it's a perennial. I'm not exactly sure what zone this is for, but it does say that it is a perennial, so I'm going to have to check and see what zone this in here is for. And I love the flowers, so I want to go ahead and give that one a try. And this here was my free gift that I got, and this is a lettuce. Now, this one here is it's a French heirloom, and it predates from 1885. So it's crisp and tender, and they're supposed to be fine flavored and red blushed leaves. So I'm really looking forward to getting to try this one here. I think I was looking at one similar to this on their site. It could have been this one, and I wasn't sure if I was going to get it or not. But they sent this one here to me as my free gift. And I'm going to be trying the Tom Thumb lettuce. And this one here, it's an heirloom variety, and it dates back to the 1850s. And it makes small cabbage-like green heads. Now they're only about 3 inches to 4 inches across, and it's supposed to be very tasty. So we love lettuce, and we have our lettuce bins, which you can see videos of those on our channel to see how we plant them. And from what I've read on the reviews, these give a lot. This one here, and then the tennis ball lettuce is supposed to really give a lot. So that was another plus for trying these varieties. And I was doing the research to see, where some of the people grew them at, and some of them were from Pennsylvania, and they had really good reviews. So decided to give this one here a try. And then we're also trying the lettuce. This is a tennis ball here. Now, I had tried it from a different company, one that we just bought in the store, and unfortunately, nothing had come up. So I wanted to give it another try from a different company, because I really wanted to try the tennis ball lettuce. So when I seen that, Baker Creek's had it, I just went ahead and got it. Now, this one here, apparently there's, I guess, 2 different varieties of tennis ball lettuce. Because this one says the original black seeded strain documented to have been grown at Monticello by Thomas Jefferson. So, definitely I wanted to try this one here. It's a rather loose butterhead type lettuce heads, and they get about 6 to 8 inches in diameter. So, really wanted to try this one here too. From what I've read, people said this one gave faster than what they could even pick it. So they said that on both of these. So, I'm going to give it a try, and we're going to see how it does. So keep checking back on my channel for updates on these. Now, most of my onion seeds are already planted. I was waiting for these 2 to come in the mail. And I am going to put these in a Ziploc bag and put them in the refrigerator for 2 weeks. let them chill down, and then I'm going to go ahead and plant them. Okay, so today is February the 8th of 2020, and I got another order in the mail today. So this is a Yarrow Parker's variety, and gives beautiful yellow flowers. It has fern-like gray, green foliage to it, and just got this one here in the mail. And I also got, this is my free gift, another variety of kale. And this one here is, it's a famous Italian heirloom, and it dates back at least to the 1820s. So it's a beautiful deep black-green leaves to 24 inches long, and they say that it's heavily savored and unique and stunning. So I'm going to be trying this one as well. Now, what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to go ahead and put them in a Ziploc bag, which I did with all of my other seeds that I got in this order. And I'm going to put them in the refrigerator to chill them down before I plant them. Now, the reason why I put my seeds in the refrigerator in Ziploc bags is it gives me a longer shelf life on my seeds. And a lot of your perennials, like the Yarrow Parker's variety is a perennial, they need a cold stratification period to help the seeds germinate. And I just find that the seeds germinate faster when I chill them before I plant them. And also it gives me the longer shelf life, which is great. And then, you know, when you're ready to plant them, your seeds are already prepared and they're ready to go by storing them in the refrigerator. So I'll be coming back with videos when I sow these. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells you I put a new video on. And also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!